Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox something really awesome. And this was asked by a lot of people, so I just got this one, which is this, the Toyota Land Cruiser 80. So this is by Hotwheels and this is from their Then and Now series. So let's unbox and see how it looks. And before that, let me show you the price here. So it is 149 rupees. Please don't pay more than that. Okay. So, and if you are wondering, this is not the treasure hunt. So that is the another one which I will be unboxing next in my next video. So here is a closer look of it. Okay, the wheels looks really nice. So it is plastic and the headlights are painted. It has some good detailing to it, and it has some good weight to it, and I am really glad that they actually decided to include the rear view mirrors here. This is also plastic, if you are wondering. I don't know, man. I don't know why they are getting fingerprints here. I didn't even touch this one yet. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, that is really smooth. That is smooth. It is not fast, but it is really smooth. Okay. So here you go, guys. One more look of it. I really wish Hot Wheels did something to the headlights here, like putting some kind of fiberglass. It would have looked so much cooler than what it is now. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you love my video, subscribe. And thanks again for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.